Me there with a challenge. Me not there with
The better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate.
like, share, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. It's a girl Tassie up in the building. I'm there back with another video. Period. Me know so no miss me, no. Me know so no miss me. Anyways, before we get into this video, I want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, a brother, a sister, your mother, everybody here for me just share it, spread it, make them hear it. You understand? That's me trying to say like no. But anyways, me not there with a challenge. Me not there. So anyways, me there with a challenge, me there with no prank or nothing, you know. Me just there for this talk. It's like it's an update for my life, like a life update. Understand? Cause me know me there, I've been missing, and but me there back. You understand? They find me. You see me? Yeah, they find me back. So as you see, I'm in the back in the same spot where I did my videos from the beginning, right, of my channel. And yes, I'm back home. Why? Me say some sad news, you know, some boy I don't even know if it start from, but you know don't know say yo, me I got one chef school, no so yeah man, I know say corona just come and just slow up people life and just slow up the whole process for everybody plans and little with right. But anyways, you don't know me I got one chef school, so I was going to a chef school where they called me and some of my other fellow classmates. They called us and said that we should come in from about April 19, right? And then after then change and so we come in at 26 or something like that. Yes. So anyways, we work with the postpone and we said prepare for the other week if we go in. Me gets me go places buy me for buy prepare for my school things and my nickel way. You understand, you know what, when you go one school we prepare, you understand, children say we have to stay for 1 3 months, so I was preparing to go to the school. Anyways, they are coming up, we figure school go get into with them and then look away there. I get used to school. We quarantine for 14 days and we did it and we just are going to work with the process till one day we are get undeserved work and then something there and like we get undeserved work and we still do work and we did it and we are complete what not. I was not expecting, like when I just got there, I was not expecting certain things, and when I went there, I was like, seriously. As I went there, I wanted to come back home, but because I know say me have something I strive for, I know say I have a purpose in my life, and I know I want my career goal, and I want to accomplish in a certain time. Like I wanted it to become a short-term goal, but no, it become a long-term goal. Anyways, yeah, because I know I want to accomplish something. I was just working with the system and just trying to put myself adjusting to it. You understand? And yeah, like I'm not gonna call a school name, and I'm not call a school name, and I'm not gonna say certain things, understand? But just me just tell you little basic like yeah. Anyways, I'm there, and I try to do what I can do, cause my people me know say yo. Me want certain things because me expect this from the school, like me expect you, me understand. So we there and quarantine finish and they say school are gonna start Monday, which where school didn't start Monday because as Monday come they say we don't have a meeting with we. They never did if you have a meeting with we. Till it Tuesday now. Anyways, before it Tuesday now, then he say we talk to the teacher and she said we will buy some more things like that, and I say rate here, I ask the price, and I say alright, then me match up that the night time being. Understand? Because you don't know things you have to have things that you have to have your equipment them for work with. If you don't have equipment you can't work with. You understand? I know in the kitchen we go so we need a knife, we need we scarf, we sweat, we need we towel for the sweat on the face, we need we really farm, and you don't know you have to just perfect in the kitchen, you have to have a proper hygiene. Anyways, yeah. I'm glad to my name by still enough. But anyways, it Tuesday come now and then keep on meet me we all to hear say we have to go we all kick you out of the school. Understand? I say like the prime minister is saying that only children who doing PEP and internet exam should be at school. I was like, so hold on. It's school a minute ago. Then they know say we should never come at school because COVID-19 in the first place. But because they want to rush the process, we get in new people, they might try to go under government rule and then they still have to abide by the rule and make we have to come out of school before time. And it sucks, like it actually sucks because like I was like me I write up my life and one people have paper in my mind to say yo July come, graduate, boom, get one work, start my life. You understand like that? And you could really I'm just 18 years of age, yes, but I'm not rushing my life, But I have things to achieve in my life, and to go back and forth to school, it's stressing. Not to say I'm going to give up my career, May I think about it, but like, you understand? Like, then this time now we're not doing anything now when I want to go to school and occupy my time. I have to be sitting down waiting until the next period of time to then call us again. And now like many things me go to school is like any other school me go one different school me go me know say yo they more quick and stuff. You understand? Because school is very slow because the month the years me go to school and online me I go me I do and I pay TV we do practical we can't do practical. And because I feel them fault, it's not the government, it's their fault. Because if them didn't follow by the government rule, we wouldn't go to school in the first place because then I say, alright then may not come to school. So may come now if you come out of school because we did go there before time. So I'm just there again like a life update make you know so make me not really post no video because I've been down lately because my school my school over here so and my life over here so because I try to feel like I wonder what I'm going to do, why next step I'm going to take, because I'm out of school now because I take a COVID and the people in my school they slack and they're not organized. They're not organized, they just try to do things and they're not organized and you have to be organized to make your plan come out perfection. You understand? You have to implement your plan, you have to organize, you have to elevate it. You can't just say, boom, and make something happen. So, no, that can't work, yes, so. And like, yeah, when we hear, so if we come home, everybody break down. Me cry to my head happen because, yo, me know me did pick up, me go to something. And me say, I did it for 3 months now after me done, me can start my life, me can start work. And if you come back home, consider again, come up on next class and if you go to school, no, brother. Me a pre. You see me? So I'm just there for making you know say I'm back at my yard now and me. If you don't want to do a certain video, you can comment down below and tell me some video suggestion. You understand? You can help me, you understand? Because I'm there back at yard now, so my mind we start click through and pass on a video idea. I have a lot at school to do with my friends but it never did make it because we busy and we mind the day son. You understand people moody and we mood to make a lot of things. So I'm just there figuring out this and I'm back home, safely return. I'm not at school anymore. So you understand this is the same spot where I'm doing my video them. Yes, live, I just live. So you don't know my day back. I know the name is me now, I ain't gone away. I just take a little break. My day back. Yeah, guys, let's get me to 150 subs by the end of the month. Here, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know that's a loyal to me, and I know I'm loyal back to just give me video suggestion in the comment section. Video suggestion, and just if me do it like actually like. You understand? Me do it, man. Once I know nothing bad, no me do it. I don't know, say I'm me alone. So I give me video what and me alone can do. You understand? Anyways, yes, that me come here to say. Myself that me come here to say. I don't know, say my love when I reach 100 subs, I'm just glad for no support. You understand? But just share it so we can get to 150 by the end of May. 200 too, you know me, you know. I don't know, a liar teacher, I don't. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go on my Instagram and follow me at its_Tassie. I'll put it somewhere on the screen and go up to my other Instagram at _miss.miserable. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. So just don't know, so my day are back. Yeah, yeah. I want to do a live a day in my life video, but I'm not sure as yet. But you don't know. So one video will soon come here. So peace out.